Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to edit text in AutoCAD. Text is an essential part of any technical drawing because it helps communicate information such as labels, notes, dimensions, instructions, and specifications. In AutoCAD, text can be created, modified, and customized in many different ways, depending on your drafting needs. Whether you're correcting a spelling mistake, changing the size of text, adjusting its style, or modifying other properties, AutoCAD provides several tools that make text editing simple and flexible. When you first open AutoCAD and you're drawing, you can create new text by going to the command line and typing text, then pressing enter. AutoCAD will prompt you to specify a starting point for the text. This starting point determines where the text will appear within the drawing. After selecting the location, you can type the desired text and complete the command. Creating text is often used for adding labels, room names, notes, elevations, instructions, or any other information that helps explain the drawing. Once the text is placed, it becomes an editable object within the drawing. One of the simplest ways to edit existing text is to double-click directly on the text object. When you do this, AutoCAD opens the text editor and allows you to modify the content. You can delete words, add new text, correct spelling mistakes, or completely replace the original text with something else. Once you finish editing, simply click outside the text editor or confirm the changes to update the text in the drawing. This direct editing method is ideal when you only need to change the actual wording of the text. However, AutoCAD offers much more control than simply changing what the text says. For more advanced text modifications, you can use the Properties palette. To open it, type Properties in the command line and press Enter. The Properties palette is one of the most powerful editing tools in AutoCAD because it allows you to adjust many characteristics of the selected text without recreating it. When the Properties palette opens and the text is selected, you can modify settings such as text style, text height, rotation angle, layer assignment, color, line weight, width factor, position, justification, annotation settings. The text style controls the font and overall appearance of the text. Changing the style can make the text look more formal, technical, or visually distinct from other annotations in the drawing. The text height determines how large or small the text appears. Increasing the height makes text easier to read, while decreasing it allows more information to fit into limited space. This is especially important when preparing drawings for printing. The rotation angle controls the orientation of the text. For example, text can be rotated to align with angle geometry or specific drawing features. The justification settings determine how the text is aligned relative to its insertion point. Options such as left, center, right, top, or middle alignment can help position text precisely where needed. Using the Properties palette gives you much greater control than simple text editing because it allows you to modify both the appearance and behavior of the text object. In professional drafting environments, text consistency is extremely important. Designers often use standardized text styles and heights throughout a project so that drawings remain clear, organized, and easy to read. The Properties palette makes maintaining that consistency much easier. To summarize, editing text in AutoCAD begins by creating text with the text command and specifying a starting point before entering the desired content. To modify the text later, simply double-click it and edit the wording directly. For additional customization, type Properties in the command line and press Enter to open the Properties palette. From there, you can adjust numerous settings including text style, height, rotation, color, justification, and many other attributes. Together, these tools allow you to fully control both the content and appearance of text within your AutoCAD drawings. And that's how to edit text in AutoCAD. While double-clicking text is the quickest way to change the wording, the Properties palette gives you complete control over the text's appearance and behavior. Learning both methods will help you create cleaner, more professional drawings and make text management much easier as your projects become more complex. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.